I'm at my mate's garage, MC Autos in Croydon. This is why I need a ramp. This is the kind of unit I need. Do you know what I mean? All in good time, I guess. We're down here getting the aircon regassed, as I had to remove the condenser to get to the radiator. So I'm going to show you the process.
Indicators.
Yeah.
But if you drive in both times, then that would work.
First things first, we connect the high and low pressure lines. The machine will recover any remaining refrigerant, put the system into a vacuum to make sure there aren't any leaks. And if everything checks out, it will charge it with the correct amount of gas. Hopefully we've got no leaks.
Yeah. Ah, there is sticker.
Yeah.
500. Plus minus. This is not hybrid.
No.
Electric. Oh, 1 second, because it was electric vehicle. I'm not sure. One second. One second, I'm coming back. Auto. Everything 500. We follow the label under the bonnet, not the auto data. Auto data is piece of S.
Okay.
So we're gonna follow the what is under bonnet 500. Enter. Close. We done this already. Vacuum. Oh. We'll see if it's gonna hold.
See if my work's good, yeah?
Yeah.
It's mainly the seal.
Did you spit on the seals?
Look,
Before you put it?
if there's anything wrong, I blame the sun.
Okay. Did you spit on the seals
Yeah.
before you put it?
Yeah.
That's good, yeah. That's gonna be worse. Yeah, it's alright. Almost one. Your hands will be hard for 19 minutes.
Oh, is that what it is? No.
That's how long it goes.
Yeah, but obviously it has to hold that pressure
So
first,
now
right?
that the machine is sucking out the air,
Yeah.
what is in the system,
Yeah.
how long you was have? You replace the condenser?
No.
Ah. Did you open the condenser? Did you block the holes in the condenser? How long the car was open before you put it back? 24 hours more?
No.
No, less.
Less, yeah.
Because the condenser have carbon inside. If it's open more like 24 hours, the condenser need to be replaced.
Right,
The
okay.
carbon is like a filter.
Okay.
So it's receive the moisture from the system.
Yeah.
Because the gas what is used in the AC is dry,
Yeah.
and we use it dry for checking the leaks.
Okay.
If you put normal air, the system will be failed because there is a lot of moisture, especially in UK. We are on an island, so the moisture is very rich.
Okay.
So if it's more like 24 hours, the condenser was open, need to be replaced.
Okay.
So
Well,
you said less.
fortunately less, yeah.
So
Yeah.
23.
maybe 23.59, who knows? But don't we put oil back into it as well?
The machine will put themselves
Okay, cool.
automatically.
All right. So we got
Machine is doing.
half a chance. Oh, that's
It's
cool.
gonna be warm.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Okay, so we're holding.
Yeah.
All right. So that means no leaks.
Almost 1 bar is holding. So that means if there will be something issue with the leaking or something will be bigger hole, the machine is stupid because it's 0-1, yes or no. If there will be less like 1 bar, it's gonna be said fail. I don't like it.
Okay.
Fix the system, then we can do it again.
Okay. Cool. So at the moment the machine likes it.
Yeah.
That's terrible, isn't it, eh?
It's happened.
Yeah, I know. I told you I blame the sun. It's the
You
same.
want me to look for?
It's the same on the other side as well. I've looked already. So them bolts, they're the ones that hold the top of the radiator in, isn't it?
I don't know,
I
but
think it is. Or the casing.
maybe the case.
Yeah, I think it's the outer tech. Yeah. Yeah, we're filming.
They're holding some plastic.
It's the plastic casing, innit?
Yeah.
Oh, not too bad then. I'm sure I've done all the other bolts up properly. and to spec as well.
I believe you. I
Yeah.
believe you. I'm not gonna strip it down and see what's
Well, look, I'm not a mechanic, so
Me too.
I think I've done. Are you not? Oh, that makes both of us.
I finished the technical electronics
Okay, so you,
computers.
so that's all you do.
No, I'm doing mechanic.
Oh, you doing mechanics as well?
But I don't have a paperwork for mechanic.
Nor do I.
I have a higher paperwork,
Yeah.
but I like what I'm doing.
No,
I
good.
love what I'm doing.
Good.
I love to have dirty hands.
I don't. 3 minutes left. We're looking good.
Still one bar.
Yep, still 1 bar.
Amazing.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
My mechanics is mechanicking.
And pollen filter, please check. A little bit of chance.
The what?
Pollen filter.
I've got it in the boot. I was going to do it while this is.
That is a one set. AC pollen filter. Because
Okay.
that's what you're breathing inside.
So is that down by this side,
Somewhere.
hit down there, right?
What brand you want?
What brand?
Yeah. Why? People, why? Why? You don't have a BYD, you have a BMW. Buy the proper parts, please.
Do you know what? When the parts came, yeah, they sent that with the oil filter, and I thought I was getting what they call man.
There's 2 pieces.
Yeah.
And you don't have an instruction. The man filter will give you an instruction how to do it.
Okay.
So you need to look on the internet how to do it.
So you think just get a new one?
No, don't.
Use that. That's fine. Yeah.
Well, you bought already, so
Yeah.
what you can do. But remember, this is not BYD. This is BMW. BYD built my dream. Build your dream. China car. Check leaks for 1 minute. If the system is holding the pressure, if it's not going to be a big drop, there is some tolerance.
leeway, yeah.
If it's going to be green lights, it's going to be fill up with the gas.
So what has it done for 15 minutes?
Vacuum. He sucked out the air. He
So-
took the vacuum.
Okay. So
So now this vacuum
Yeah.
will suck in the gas
right.
from the tank.
Okay.
Did you hope?
Big boss.
And here's the big boss.
Stress box.
Oh,
He got the ice cream.
what does that mean? Here we go. That means there was no leaks.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
And it's still upping. Till 500.
Well, I'm happy about that. Let's hope it works in the cabin.
You don't mess around with nothing else.
Yeah,
Only
no.
condenser.
Yeah, well, I took the condenser, the oil cooler out.
Yeah, but with the AC system.
Yeah.
There was no plug, so nothing on the condenser, no pressure sensor.
No, there was no plugs or anything, no.
It's gonna ask me to go different way. It's gonna ask me to disconnect one pipe. Hello. Disconnect the HP coupling.
Mm-hmm.
Disconnect. Only disconnect. One.
So that's the high and low pressure one. Yeah.
Yeah, but if there is no enough vacuum, what he can put the 500 is gonna ask about something else.
Okay.
It's going very strong.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, once I think he will ask about the starter date.
Is that normal?
Yeah.
No, we're getting there.
The best option to do with the AC in the winter because the gas is cheaper. In summer is the season, so everyone needs
Yeah, I know. It's expensive gas, isn't it?
this one. Yeah. 2 times, I think.
Yeah, I think so. As I said, I need to renew the brake pads. I'm going to renew the discs and give it all new tyres.
Yeah.
It's more the inside pads that are.
Yeah, but if you're gonna replace this, stripe until it will be squeaky. It will be rubbing
Yeah.
metal to metal.
Yeah.
Don't waste the money. We're gonna go upside down, but we'll see how much it's gonna go. Okay, it's not locking themselves.
Nah.
Looking good, bro.
Yeah. 15.2,
Fan keep on.
14.8. What should it go down to?
Minus 15.
Minus
It's gonna
15.
be ice from nose.
That would be great. Especially in this weather.
Maybe 4. It depends about the condition of the compressor.
Before we wrap this one up, I just wanted to say a massive thank you to Chris at MC Autos for taking the time to walk us through the whole air conditioning regas process. I also want to give a big thank you to Jamaine for letting us film in his garage today. I'm sure you'll see a lot more of Jamaine on our channel in the future. If you're local and need any work done on your car, be sure to check out MC Autos in Croydon. Their details are in the description below. If you've enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate if you could hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more repairs, diagnostics and some exciting project cars coming your way. And remember, don't be afraid to get stuck in. You might just surprise yourself. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Well, that is very satisfactory for me.
Yep.
Car, missed the air conditioning. It feels good. I'm glad there's no leaks. Alright. Well, we're going to get this all squared up. And then we'll get out of here and go and give it a valet because it's absolutely filthy.